Hey guys, I may not speak long to this video, but I just want to educate you with something else. I want you all to know that from today, the preachers that you trust are the one that are hiding the truth, are the one that are selling the fake must be behind you. Why I'm saying this? Let me educate you with something. Most of you think that it's just us as people who are living in this world. There's no such thing as creatures, animals, people who are animals. Once you find that, you'll be in a serious trouble. Understand? Let me educate you what happened in Cape Town 2 years back in South Africa. There was a creature that looked like a wolf. Most of you forgot now what is happening. That looked like a wolf, and it was caught by a driver, a truck driver. He got bumped to that creatures, and they find it like maybe it was a supernatural thing. As we check there, the news that I'm giving you all. But now, what is this? Let's talk about it.
I'm Josh Risling, I'm 18 years old, and this is my first werewolf transformation.
Great, thank you.
How long have we got now?
10 seconds. Any last minute questions?
No.
Great, just relax. You're going to be fine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good rise.
Nothing's happened.